Hello people from the internet, welcome at Superbooth in Berlin. We're here with Rodec and we have some great new modules for you to show. First of all, our long-time cooperation with Sherman. We have the Sherman Ministyler, which is a remake of the restyler of the early 2000s, but now in our 100 series format. We also want to show you the Rodec ONE, which is a housing for 100 series modules. But the Ministyler equally works in the MX Modular, our flagship mixer, thanks to the 500 to 100 series adapter. And this way you can also use the Ministyler in any other lunchbox series. So what have we got here on the Ministyler? We have the gain staging, where we have a great drive button with makeup gain and a mix button to mix between dry and wet signal. At the bottom we have frequency. You can choose between two slopes, 24 dB and 12 dB, a great self-oscillating resonance, and then fluid go from low pass to high pass with the type button. In the middle we have FM, frequency modulation, where the audio itself is used as the modulator, and then we have two mod buttons with a positive modulation or negative modulation, and we basically take the incoming audio as the modulation source to then modulate either the frequency or the type. So let's have a listen at what this thing can do. I'm gonna put on my headphones so I hear what I'm doing. Let's bring in the mix. So we have a small drum loop going on with a bass line, some congas, and then on these two channels I have two Ministylers. The Ministyler coming from the Ministyler inside the mixer and the Ministyler inside the one. Let's bring in the first channel. So what we hear, and I will solo it, is a guitar. The Ministyler is not engaged now, and let me engage it. What you hear going on is a little bit of FM, but also a little bit of CV control, because we can control the filter using CV and then draw CV things here on the Hapax that is connected to the CV output. Let's bring in some funky delay and reverb. Take it further. Let's let it scream a little bit. Super FM. Bring in number 2, little synth pads. Now let's engage this guy over here. Again, you see the CV pattern here, so if I just do this, it's gonna be dry. If I then draw, we can solo it. Let's hear this filter on the bass line so we can show a little bit more functionality here. So this bass line, I'm gonna send it to the bus. So now it's going through the Ministyler. I'm going to detach CV so we don't have any automation, so you can clearly hear what it does. That's low pass mode. Now I'm going to bring in positive modulation. You know, notice it starts wah-wahing. You can also do negative modulation. And you get like very dramatic rhythmic effects. Now listen to modulating the type. So then it's going to push into more high pass. Or the other way around, negative. Bring in some FM. Self oscillation. Bring the music in. Voila, there we go. I hope you like it. Check it out on our website. It's going to be available this summer, available for pre-order now.